And for those who do not know what a yard sale is all about, this is what it's all about. The community come out and they put their stuff together and make it a yard sale. Nice that they do not want at home. Oh, this is good. Let me see this. We at the high school out here, Loudoun County, Virginia. This is cute. Look at this. Me. Wow. Isn't that good artwork? This is so cool. Look at this. The children in the high school, this is what they do. That's pretty artwork. Look at this artwork. That is pretty. So I'm here at the yard sale. It's raining outside. And I'm checking out the high school creativeness. It says, Senior life is good. This is so awesome. Shout out to the little young ones in the high school. Great job. Great job. So the yard sale is where communities, the people in the communities from their home come out to sell stuff like, that they have no need for. So they come out to sell it to whoever want to pass by and buy it. And the price is like pretty low. So you find all little different items. That's so cool. Maybe you get something for $1, 50 cents, depends on the price. But it's homeowners come out here. They come out here and sell their stuff. Hello. Morning. See, they have little stuff items like this. Hi. Hi, how you doing this morning? I'm just trying to show them what a yard sale is all about. See, they have nice little pieces that you could buy, and the price is not too bad. What's the prices on this right here? $5. $5? Okay, that's pretty. Okay. Keep that piece for me, that one right there. Pardon me? Keep that piece for me, okay? I'll be back. Okay. The green one. Yeah, the green one. Yes, thank you. Put it on the side. Yes, sir. See this artwork here? Isn't that beautiful artwork? So it's raining outside, my guys. Look, the weather, the cloud is dark, and we're getting some rain. So we out here, all little merchandise here. There's a nice piece of artwork right here. Look at this. Those children are so creative. Look at this. High school skits. High school children. See? Very creative. Artwork. Very creative. The high school children here at Loudoun County, Sterling, Virginia. Okay, let's see what they have over there. Children stuff. Children stuff. They're all baby stuff. They're all baby stuff. Morning, how are you? Bless, bless, bless. So it's raining, so a lot of people didn't show up. But I come out here to do a little something to show you what a yard sale is all about. You know what? I rather the artwork more than the yard sale. So I'm going to videotape the artwork so you guys could see the creativeness here with the high school children. The the yard sale wasn't that great, so and I think the reason why because it's raining, so a lot of people really didn't come out. So this is the high school with all the creativeness is happening with the children, as you see. They got some skills, right? Years later. Yes, the yard sale wasn't much happening, so I only got one little piece of item, which was a nice little green bowl up front. That's the only thing that was looking like pleasing to my eyes, and it was $5. I'll show you when I get it. As you said, I saw you saw it before when I just came in, and I spoke to the young man, the gentleman over there, and I told him I'll get this piece. Yes, that's the piece I'm gonna get. But it's raining out here. To the water. So a lot of the people usually come out. See the environment. Who usually come out to do the yard sale. A lot of them are not here because of the rain. That's the second weekend. We had a big community one down in Leesburg, and that one was rained out too. So let me show you the artwork because the pieces that they have is not that pleasing at the garage sale. The yard sale, not garage sale, yard sale. Sorry, excuse me. So we're just showing the artwork that they do here. It says, sorry, I am late. Class of 2023. So that was last year artwork. That's very creative. So the yard sale didn't have what I was looking for. But it has some beautiful artwork, which I'm going to show you guys. The rain finally stopped. It's still wet on the ground, but the rain finally stopped. So I guess more people will come out and try to put up a tent to do their yard sale. Getting this piece right here. Isn't that pretty? A nice fruit bowl. So I got me a nice little piece, which is right here. A nice fruit table for the fruits. Put it in the middle of the table and dress it up. It was only $5. So thank you guys for coming out with me and enjoying the yard sale. I hope you guys see, and those who do not know what a yard sale is all about, that's what it's all about.
my peoples. Welcome back to Lady J channel. Blessings and favors. To God be the glory. We are taking a Saturday drive down to Manassas. Fairfax right here. That's Fairfax County. You're hearing that sound going, that's the wipers, okay? It's raining. So we have to keep the wipers going. So excuse the sound. Raining, raining, raining. Blessings, 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 they say. As long as it stays like that, that's blessings. But when it's heavy rain, I don't know. Because some people get flooded, wash away. But it's a good day. Just have to be safe and ask for traveling mercy. So it's a rainy Saturday, and we are driving out to Manassas. So enjoy the ride, check out the scenery, and drive with us to Manassas. Blessings to all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you for supporting the channel, Lady J channel. We appreciate all the support. By hitting the thumbs up, that's a great support and it's free. Just press that little thumbs up. So we're driving out here. We are on the express lane. And this is what it looked like. Look at this bike guy. Oh my goodness. He's on the bike in the rain. And he's enjoying the moments. That's what it's all about. Enjoying the moments, people. We have to enjoy every moment. So we are here in Manassas. This is what Manassas looks like. Red Lobster. All my lobster lovers. Red Lobster. Waiting for you to come out to dine. It's a restaurant. If you love lobsters, check out Red Lobsters. They got some good biscuits too. I love their biscuits. And some chocolate cake. Yes. Chocolate volcano, I think. Yes, check that out. Whenever you go to Red Lobster, check that volcano, chocolate volcano. I'm not sure if they changed by now, but ooh, that used to be my favorite when I used to go there. In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left on the Southern Manor Drive. We have a shopping plaza over there. So right around here we have shopping areas, restaurants, supermarkets, banks. have a Walgreens on the other side on my right. You see the rain? See that? The drizzles, the drizzles. It's a rainy Saturday, and we out here with Lady J and Mr. H. Welcome! Hey, hey, it's a pleasure having you guys on our Saturday drive-by. Fire truck right here. Say hi, Mr. H.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Raindrops is falling on the rain. Raindrops is falling on my head. When the bee goes.
Same road.
Alright, we're going down into another highway with the raindrops is falling. And we are riding back home, back to Sterling, Loudoun County. So Manassas is a little busier than where we are in Loudoun County. So we have Fairfax here, and we're going back onto 66 to 28, take you back to Loudoun County, which is out there in Ashburn, Sterling, Leesburg. So traffic is a little heavy because it's a Saturday. Everybody's out getting from point A to B, trying to get their errands in before the week come in as Monday to Friday. Taking their children out, going into Washington. Some are going to Loudoun. Some are going back to Fairfax, Arlington, out that area. And we are going back to Loudoun. So come along. Let's take the ride. On this beautiful rainy day. Out here in Virginia. USA. Northern Virginia. All is welcome. Welcome on Lady J channel. Welcome. And if you like what you're seeing on this channel, like I said, thumbs it up, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that notification bell, and you'll keep on getting the contents when Lady J put them out there. So show the love. Show the love, not just to my channel, but any channel that you enjoy watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to give the subscribe. And don't forget to leave a little comment that is motivated and positive, okay? Positiveness is what makes the world peaceful. So let's stay positive. Let's stay kind to one another, no matter who we may be. Let's stay kind. Kind words, lovely words is what give you a peaceful life. Let's be kind to one another, people. Let's be kind to one another. Let's make the world a beautiful world. We are the people that could make it happen, okay? So, thank you for coming in and showing the love. I keep on saying it because I appreciate you guys for helping me to grow this channel. It's fairly new, and so far, my 154 subscribers. I send out all the kisses and love to you guys for walking with me on this channel. Thank you. God blessings and favors to each and every one of you in every areas of your life. All right. Thank you. I'm enjoying doing these videos. Oh, it's a little challenging sometimes with the storage, but by God's will, His way, all is well. So thanks again for watching the video to the end and giving the thumbs up, giving the subscribe, and leaving a comment. Hope you guys are enjoying the drive-by. It's raining, so no walking. So we're going to do a drive-by to give you guys a video of what it's out here. What it looked like driving out here in Virginia, Northern Virginia. On a rainy day. Kind of weird because in this country here you can't even run out and play in the rain. When we home, we walk in the rain. When we were kids, waiting for the rain to run out there bare feet. All West Indian, you guys know, Caribbean people, international people, put it like that. The rain used to be excitement when you was a child. You run out to the rain, you jump around, you play, you get wet. You're coming from school, the rain is falling, it's fun. You have fun with your friends. You get home, you have a nice meal, and you go home. And sometimes the rain is so calming, you fall asleep. It's a good therapy for the mind when it hit the galvanized. You call it galvanized, they call it zinc. Oh, it puts you to sleep. Oh my goodness, it's the best sleep ever when the rain is falling. Watch this guy. Yes, yes, yes. We have to look out for the others too as we drive. Like I say, be the driver for the others, not for you. Yes, like I was saying, but here, when the rain falls, a lot of people like, oh my God, it's the rain. They get upset because they want to go out. But I love to drive in the rain. I don't know why. It's just something. It's so calming. For me, it's like peaceful because I'm a commercial driver. So when the rain like this right here falls and I'm driving, ooh, I feel so calm, so peaceful. A lot of people don't like it, but I love driving in the rain. I don't know why. Call me. I don't know, but I just love it. It's just peaceful for me. It's just relaxing for me. For a lot of people, it's annoying, it's stressful, but for me, Lady J, I love driving in rain like this. The little drizzle, the cloud is dark. It's so relaxing because I love driving. When I drive, I feel so free. I feel so peaceful. It's a part of me, and I enjoy it. That's why I took a job in driving, commercial driving. And I really, really do enjoy driving in little drizzles and little cloudy like that. It's very peaceful and calming to my soul, to my spirit, to my mind, to my body. Maybe a little, but for your body, it may be a little achish if you have a little pain going on because of the moist. So the body part, it will get to you. But for me, I love it. They have an air and space museum right over this side. Maybe one day, if they allow for video, I will go in there and make a video on that one. It's with planes and aircraft from military times, from wars and stuff like that, the history about it. So one day, I will try to make a video and bring it out so you guys could see what's going on inside Air and Space Museum. See, we left the rain, and right here, Virginia is weird like that. No rain. Pockets, pockets, pockets. No rain over this side, but we just came from rain just a second ago. Cross over, no rain.